Hunya Travels, and today I'm doing Desi Style chickpeas. Now time to open this. So here it is. Here it is. This is the chickpeas. The can is open. Now pour the chickpeas in like this. Time to add in some seasoning, just a little bit. Time to put in some oil. Just a little bit needed. Time to mix this in so it looks mixed like this. Right now, time to rotate it. Like this. Time to mix it in again. It looks like this, and now it goes in. These are street style Desi chickpeas. Desi street style chickpeas. Be sure to like and subscribe to HunyahTravels. Thank you.